Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Focus, guys, third generation, and what we'll be doing should apply to years 2012 all the way to 2019, guys. If you need to remove or replace the bulb, guys, for your side mirror turn signals, guys, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that from start to finish today. Quick introduction, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Focus. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully, guys, you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy new bulbs, parts or any tools, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can get parts and tools for incredibly, guys, good price and fast shipping as well. Let's go ahead, start on it. First we need to remove the mirror cover. We'll explain how to do that and then we'll get to the bulb. So how we do that now, guys, let's explain. You have to be extremely careful because you can break things and we'll explain why. Now, all we're going to need now, guys, okay, 1 or 2 small screwdrivers, flathead screwdrivers, so we'll have all that listed in the description of the video below if you need to purchase something. So, what I'm going to do now, okay, right here, I'm going to go through this side. I'm going to tilt the mirror all the way down and left. And we're working on the right side, but if you do the left side, it's exactly the same. So now the cover, guys, we have 2 clips. One is right here, one is about right there. I will try, guys, okay, to show you that, but I won't be able to, okay, with a great detail. Okay, I'm trying to focus now so you can see, but the clip I'm talking about, okay, stay with us until the end, and I will show you guys, okay, I will show you what exactly I'm talking about here and how we're going to do that. So, right now, I pry down, one person pulls out. Now, I'm going to bring that mirror, okay, this way a little bit, because we have another clip right there. Okay, give me just a second, I'm trying to position it here, perfect. And that cover, you grab and slide it out. Let me explain where the clips are. The clips are right here. These 2 clips go down. So when you go with the screwdriver, guys, what you're doing now, you go like that. Okay, and when you go like that, you're going to pry a little bit down. Okay, check it out, and this clip will jump that lip right here and you'll be able to pull it out. Same thing applies to the one right here, exactly the same thing, and the cover is out of the way now. So this is the turn signal, guys. Even though you can see the bulb from the inside right here, okay, you won't be able to remove it. But how you do it, you have one clip, okay, it's kind of like in this end right here, and you have one that slides in over here, so you won't be able to remove it from there. But if you go through here, okay, I will be able to push the clip in and get it out. Let me explain to you now what we're doing, guys. Grab it, and now we're going to disconnect the bulb, and you can just go ahead, guys, grab the bulb. If you need to replace it, we'll have the link to the new bulb in the description of the video below. Grab a new one and just place it in. Now, where that thing, guys, attaches to the mirror, there is one clip, okay, this clip right here that just slides in, and this is the one that we just opened. So how I did that, when I reached through the hole here, what I actually did, guys, I compressed it like that and I pulled the front end out, and you can see the turn signal, side mirror turn signal, guys, came out, and the bulb too. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.